In order to customize the patient level desktop, you need to navigate to a patient. I'm currently on ZZ Test Cali, and on this upper hand side of the screen, you'll see the patient band, which shows you allergies, height, weight, some different information on that patient. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see this blue menu bar. This is the main menu. And then over here on the mid to top side of the screen, you'll see this tab called Acute and Discharge. This plus sign right here allows you to add different workflow views to your screen. So if you're also a clinic provider or you also perform surgery, you would add the surgery workflow to your screen. So you would just click on those and it would add those tabs. To remove those tabs, you can just click this X right here and it'll remove those tabs. So inpatient hospitalists will more than likely utilize the acute and discharge tab more than they will any other tab. So under acute, you'll see this gray menu bar right here, which is the acute care workflow menu. To customize what you see within this gray menu bar, you'll select this hamburger icon right here on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll select components, and you can checkbox and uncheck the items that you don't want to see. You can check and uncheck the items you don't want to see. So if I want to see patient immunizations, I'm going to select patient immunizations. And if I don't want to see health concerns, I can uncheck that. This customization is sticky. So when you log out and you log back in, you'll continue to see the same items that you checked or unchecked. So if I want to set up my screen to allow me to document on a patient chart and review the patient chart at the same time, I will need to unpin this blue main menu bar. And what this allows me to do is move my documentation sections to the right-hand side of the screen. So see how if I click that button, it moves hospital course to the right, and if I unclick it, it expands it out. So I will move my documentation sections to the right-hand side of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look for subjective history of present illness. And as you can see, most of these documentation screens are right next to each other. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this button on all of the different documentation sections. And that's going to move all those documentation sections to the right-hand side of the screen. This will allow me to navigate the chart and document in these fields at the same time. So you will utilize Dragon to dictate into these boxes. If I don't want to see hospital course, I can go ahead, go to my little hamburger icon, click components, and uncheck hospital course. And that'll remove hospital course from both my gray menu bar and it'll remove it from the right-hand side of the screen. If I want to move opioid review to the top of my gray menu bar, I can do that by dragging it. So for example, if I want to move chief complaint to the top, I will single click, hold, and drag to the top of that gray menu bar. And this is what you more than likely need to do when you first log in to the system so that you're set up to be able to document, review the chart, and you're seeing the items that you want to see in the order that you see it in the order that you want to see it in.